Hello everyone, welcome again back to this channel. So today's video is about making your man, making your partner to spend real money for you. That means more money into your pockets. We ladies, we love money, right? We need love and we need money. So after this video, you will learn so much. Like, this will help a lot. So if you are new here, you are welcome. If you have not subscribed, kindly hit the red subscribe button so you get notified anytime I upload videos. So in this channel, I post spiritual stuffs, spiritual tips that will help your life spiritually. So this particular one is about natural remedies to help your partner to spend more good cash for you. So you want to know how to use this to attract a man or to make a man to spend more for you. Keep watching. So the first thing you have to get is a very clean bowl for mixing. Okay, so this is our main ingredients. Here is it. Very important. This is very important. It's a spice that is very good for you. It contains antiseptic properties. It contains infection fighting properties as well, to make you smell fresh and good down there. You know, there are many things that turns men off in women. One of them is smells. When someone smells really bad, like some cannot just tolerate it, you know. During the acts, the woman or a lady will be smelling so bad. That is a big turn off. It can make any man that want to spend good cash for you to just, you know, decide to change mind. Okay? And it could be that the man is stingy. There are so many men that are very stingy in a way that they make money, like they are very rich, but to spend is very difficult for them. This is very helpful and will help so much. Here we have clove. Here is a powdered clove, and you can make use of clove stick. We're also going to be making use of honey. Make sure you get original 100% natural honey. It's very important. So honey here will serve as a sweetener, like you want to be always sweet and sweet, okay? So guys, let's get started. So this remedy will also help those that always get dry down there, okay? If you always experience dryness, this is just for you. So what you have to do first is to add about half glass to 1 glass of water, a hot water. So this is more than 1 glass. I'll have to reduce it. Make sure you get 1 glass hot water. Then you have to measure in 1 tablespoon of clove powder. Okay, this is very important, guys. You have to use this the right way to get a positive result. If you want to get tighter, this will help you as well. Like, it will help to balance the pH of down there, making you sweet, making you taste so lovely and smell so good. For 1 glass cup, you have to add 1 tablespoon of clove, just as I did. Mix it very well and leave it for about 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, it's time to strain it out. Strain it into the cup you want to use. If you are going to make more than 1 glass, you have to increase the ingredients, okay, and the water. So this is the time to add our honey. Honey here is a sweetener, as I said earlier, and you have to add 2 tablespoons of honey. You can see that everything in this video is very natural. nothing fetish. All these are spices, are ingredients used in cooking, used in preparing dishes. It's very healthy, guys. It helps to clean the womb, get rid of those old tissues, especially after miscarriage. It helps to clean the womb and make you fertile. For those that are trying to conceive, this will help you a lot. This is a very good sweetener that you need to keep you very sweet and make your partner to spend more cash for you. Cook cash. Most importantly, it gets rid of infection. So in case you experience any kind of infection, this will help to take care of it from the inside and make you look very, to smell so fresh always. So take 1 glass like this every day, once daily, for best results. Do not skip any day. Be taking it 1 glass every day, 1 glass every day, or you can take it before meeting for best results. Do not forget to come back and thank me later. So if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed, please kindly do so and turn on the bell for more helpful videos. So I will be seeing you guys in my next video.